Is it a bad thing to be good? Is it a bad thing to trust people? What is it? My children hold me. They comforted me. There is nothing like family. Family is everything to me. I think if you really want to make it big in this life, never you share your progress or share whatever you are trying to show people outside there. Don't tell anybody. Hide it.
My country people, this one a story of betrayal. Guys, Uche Nancy don't finally come out, can't tell us how a person she trusted betrayed her, how her friend betrayed her, how she has been struggling as a single mother, what happened, what led to her separation with her husband. Everything you need to know about Uche Nancy is in this video. She don't advise people, we young girls out there, say make we know they share any of our secrets to anybody, make we know even they tag all this bestie, say we they share our story, they share, we show them that our husband or our fiance or anything. Say people they too wicked. Make I play the video, make una hear everything where Uche Nancy talk. This woman is a great and a strong woman. Not be all woman go strive to this thing where she don't suffer and skate through. I really applaud her strength, and I pray that God Almighty will continue to strengthen her. Make I play the video, make yourself watch and grab a lesson.
Something actually happened. I don't know why some people are too desperate. If you really want to make it big in this life, never you share your progress or share whatever you are trying to show people outside there. Don't tell anybody. Hide it. My children said Uche Nancy talks a lot. That is your problem. Yeah, I talk a lot, but I am not talking a lot because I want to talk a lot. It's the joy, the happiness when all this thing is coming. I feel like sharing it out to people. I feel like not hiding it, thinking that the people I'm sharing it out with, that having the same, thinking with me, not knowing that their mind is of different. That is, their mind is different from mine. But all the same, I am only doing myself, trying to survive as a single mother, hard-working single mother. I am what it takes to be a strong woman. People say, Uche Nancy, you're a strong woman. People say, Uche Nancy, the way you take care of your children. People say, Uche Nancy, you work, you know the rest. You work, you know the rest. The next thing, we on it again. My dear, I work, I know the rest. Doesn't mean that is what I want to be doing. It is not so, but it's the condition of our country. People will go school, after the school, how many of them? How many better jobs? Me, yes, I no go school. Yes, I accept it. I no go school, but it's not too late. If I decide that I want to do, there's something that is called evening school. Abi, I can start it. I can start it, but I no go school. But I am 100% proud of myself because I work, I make money. And I don't just work, I work in a very genuine way. That is me, Uche Nancy.